Alright, back here. I think it's like Thursday or something, working on the C10 again. Basically, we got the doors and rockers on. Not exactly sure where I left off talking to you guys yesterday. I know we were still playing with getting the door fitted. And I think I maybe welded this in. We picked up a new little SP140T welder. Basically got my miller over there. But that way I put one soft wire in one and hard wire in the other. So when I started doing my sheet metal work, I ain't just like swapping rolls of wire around. So anyway, I think that's kind of where I left off yesterday. And today I went ahead and put our door wiring siders, I guess you call them. I'm not exactly sure. Basically, when you buy this kit from Specialty Power Windows, it comes with these things here. This kit, this goes on there like so, and then this here, basically you shove the wires through that spring and it sits in here. You know, your wires come down to your window here. This is how you get a nice clean look on your wiring for your truck or your door. So basically what happens is that right there slides in and out of the door as you open the door. You got your wires hidden in there, and then you drill a rubber hole, or you drill a hole and then put a rubber grommet in there, and that's a pretty tight fit that actually holds the stainless steel wire there, spring. And there's a little plastic thing with a rubber grommet that holds this, and this allows this to slide in and out, keeping your wires out of harm and making them look clean at the same time. So we got that figured out. Alright, so now I got that wire thing, and we're going to put our door switch, dome light switch in there. So you want a dome light switch in there for the ground for our dome light. And then we got our wiring for our door punched through. And next thing I think I'm going to do is go ahead and put our window regulars back in here. But what I'm going to try to do is open the door and try to put the window motor in, and then I need to cut a piece of wood. I use this wood because it's about the thickness a piece of glass would be, and we'll have to have some custom glass cut for this. But according to my calculations, I need to make it about an inch longer. So I'm going to cut that, try to put this door together, but what I'm going to try to do is get it through this hole as if I was actually going to put the door together with a door skin on. I can now, and I can reach through this hole and this hole and get the rubber grommet here, and then hopefully get the nut down there. I'm going to try to find a fine thread nut that's metal and probably just tack it in there. That way we can at least thread it in and out from outside of the door shell and just tighten it up and get it to lock in place. So that's one of the things I'm doing. I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and get that, or find something around here. But I want to try to get the door halfway together and then see if we can even possibly get the window mechanism and the glass in there with the door skin on. So, wish me luck. That's a step in the right direction. We can get everything in. Takes a little finagling basically to keep this loose. Slide the glass down in there, put the glass up, tape it in place, and then put this in. Now it looks like my glass is trying to go forward, but I don't have any rubber seal in here because this goes to here, because this is the one with the wing window. So before I do a whole bunch more fine tuning on a piece of glass, or in our case the wood, I'll need to get a rubber seal for that. Let's see if I can go find one, put it in, and kind of mess around with that a little bit. That was the front pillar that had a wing window in it, so I think that it sits the distance from where the wing window bolts in to the distance of where this is. Might be just a little bit deeper, so I might have to put a backing in there of some sort. That I still got to figure out. But quick update on our window, I can get the glass in there as of now, and the window regulator and everything with the door skin on. So that was kind of a little bit of a worry, but I think we got it. So other than that, yeah, I'm gonna just keep trucking away on this and see if I can't make some forward progress. Keep it quiet over there. He's been grinding. It's been pretty loud, but basically we got a door panel cut. We shortened it, moved this section that would have been back here somewhere forward because we shortened the door, and then took this section because we cut this section in and our holes were just a hair off, so we had to put this in. Did a little filler work, or maybe he's gonna wrap it material. That's our door opener, and then we're waiting on our whatever he wants to do for the window. I think he's gonna use like the factory looking ones with the, you push them up and down and the window goes up and down. I think that's the plan, but pretty much wrapped up that door for today. I'll call this video done here. Later on we'll keep continuing on the C10, but as for now, you know, if you like this type of stuff, a like, a subscribe, comment below, and remember, you got to create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.